Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
6 Effective Tips to Soothe a Crying Baby. It is common to see a baby cry. Babies use crying to communicate their feelings, whether uncomfortable or displeased. Parents and caregivers play a crucial role in teaching them how to express their emotions appropriately as they grow. Some children adapt quickly, while others may take more time. How do you stop a child from crying? 1. Staying calm. When your baby won't stop crying, it can be easy to get frustrated. However, staying calm is essential. If necessary, take a few minutes to breathe before trying again. Your calm demeanor will help soothe your baby, and you will avoid saying or doing something you might regret. 2. Identifying the cause. The first step in calming a crying baby is identifying the cause. Babies cry to signal a need. If they're uncomfortable due to a dirty diaper, change it. If they're overstimulated, move them to a quieter space. 3. Using positive language. Even though infants can't talk, they are constantly learning. Avoid negative language when talking to your baby, especially when trying to calm them. Use a soothing tone and positive words. Instead of saying, "Stop crying," try "Let's get you cleaned up" or "Let's take a break." 4. Teaching through experience. Whether you have a toddler or an older child, use their crying as a teaching moment. If your child is upset because someone took their toy, teach them the value of sharing and understanding. 5. Importance of routines. Consistent routines and schedules can significantly reduce the amount of crying. A regular schedule prevents your child from crying due to hunger, tiredness, or boredom. 6. Encouraging communication. Encourage toddlers to use words to express their needs. Even simple words can help them communicate more effectively, reducing the need for crying. When to consult a doctor. If nothing seems to work and your child cries excessively, it's best to consult a doctor. There could be underlying medical issues causing the discomfort. Crying is a normal part of a child's development. While it may be tempting to solve every problem for them, teaching children to identify and address their problems independently is essential. Parenting can be challenging, but remember, you're doing a great job. Every effort you make helps your child grow and learn.